If the mic on your earphone is not working during calls on your Redmi device, here are some quick steps to troubleshoot the problem. First of all, you have to check your app permission. You have to navigate to your setting, and here you have to scroll down and go for your app. Once you are on your app, just go for the manage app and go for the phone app here. So you have to navigate to your phone app. Once you are on your phone app of your app info, here you have to scroll down and go for the app permission. And here you have to just go for the microphone option or call option here, and you have to enable this. You can see that. Also, you can replug the earphone. You can unplug and plug them back into the ensure, and you can secure our connection too. Also, you can test with the other app too. You can try making a call through the other app like WhatsApp, Messenger to check that if the issue is app specific or the issue is on your earphone. Also, you can navigate to your setting of your app, your calling app, and here on your calling app, you have to navigate to your app info and tap on the clear cache, which also solve the minor glitches. If none of these step work, you can restart your device to rule out any temporary glitches. So, at last, it could be due to the hardware issues with the earphone mic or the phone's headphone jack. I hope this video information will help you throughout the issue. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.